Hi, welcome to Practical ChatGPT Solutions. My name is Roberto Torres, and today I'm not going to create neither a video, neither I'm going to show you a ChatGPT prompt. And the reason for that is because I'm going to close this channel, this YouTube channel. Let me give you a little context. Besides this channel, I created another one, but that one it is in Spanish, which is Soluciones Prácticas con ChatGPT. And besides this channel, I created a Substack, and I decided to close this channel as well as the YouTube channel in Spanish because it didn't have the I didn't reach the objectives that I thought that I would with this kind of channels. But the the Substack that I had in English from this channel had really good success, so I'm going to stick with that because creating this video, editing and producing, it took me like maybe between an hour and a half. So rather than doing a video once a week, I could do maybe 3 or 4 times per week this post in Substack. So I invite you, if you like, first of all, if you like this video and you have so far reached to this stage, to this second, I thank you all for getting to my YouTube channel. This one I'm not going to edit it. I'm going to upload it just as you're watching. And I invite you to the Substack post, to the Substack newsletter, which I found it was better for me. Well, thank you all, and see you in my Substack. Bye.